everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Doordash account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in doordash.com, which is the official website for Doordash. Once you end up in the official web page, you will come across this interface. To create a new account or sign up for Doordash, click on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Now enter a first name, last name, a valid email address, enter your country code along with your mobile number, and create a password for your new Doordash account in this page. After you are done filling in all of the text boxes, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts. On the next page, you will need to verify your mobile number. Enter the verification code sent to you via your email or your mobile number, and once you are done verifying your account, you will be able to create a new account for Doordash. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.